Are you a girl dreaming of standing out in this big world and making something of yourself, but you're surrounded by responsibilities and limitations that hold you back? Then maybe it's time to change that. I'm from the mountains of Pakistan, and today run businesses in the United States and support women in Pakistan. A lot of my success started with storytelling. Today, telling your story to the world is so much more easier. With platforms like YouTube, you can share your creativity, your business, and your little world, your challenges, and your successes with everyone. To help you get started on your dreams, my sister and I have launched a 30-day YouTube vlogging challenge. If you want to begin the first step to getting to your dreams, to promote yourself or your business, then come and join my sister and me in this 30-day challenge for YouTube. Because if we don't tell our stories, we would actually get nowhere. A lot of my success, a lot of who I am, is because I started telling my stories. And I was brave enough to tell everything, the good and the bad. And I think in these 30 days, you'll be able to learn so many things from your own experiences, but also from the other women like you who've already joined the challenge on Instagram. So I hope to see you. And in the many upcoming vlogs, I'll also be sharing tips on how to make your videography better, how to make your filming better, how to write a script or how to film, how to make thumbnails, everything. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, let me show you how to make your first ever YouTube channel so you can join this challenge. The first thing you need to start a YouTube channel is a Gmail account. In your browser, open gmail.com, then click on Create Account. Then from the options, choose for my personal use, or if you want to use it for work or business, you can also click on that. Then write down your full name, first name, and last name. Then fill in your birth date. Now in this, as you notice that I'm writing sample because it's just for this video, but make sure you do write your first or last name, or if you want to not give your real name and want to make an extra email account that you can have, try and use words that are still legible enough for people to read. Add your password. Make sure you write a very difficult password. And then add your phone number, where you will receive a code. This is actually an extra thing Gmail does to make sure that you're a real human being. And then once you receive that verification code, add that. And it's optional to have extra verification email, so you don't have to add that. Go ahead and click I agree to this, and then you'll be taken to your Gmail account. Now it's time to make your YouTube channel. On the top right corner of your Gmail account, you will see a number of dots in one corner. Click on that and you will see the icon for YouTube. Click on that and you will be taken to youtube.com. On YouTube, click on your icon and you will see that it says create a channel. Click on that. Now make sure that your channel name is something that you want people to remember and that's easy to say, and it does not have numbers or silly words that do not even match your personality. Go ahead and click create channel. You will see that it says your channel is being created. If this takes time, go ahead and refresh the page and you will be taken to your very own YouTube channel. There will be no videos, so it is time to upload your first video. But before you do that, I recommend going to customize your channel. Click on that and you'll be taken to YouTube Studio. Over there, go ahead and click on basic info and add details about yourself. I highly recommend that you add a lot of details about yourself and make sure that everything you write is informal and fun. And if you're a humorous person, go ahead and add humor here. Or if you like poetry, make sure you add that in your personality. Just anything that people can connect with, because YouTube is a platform where people want to connect with people. So go ahead and do that. And when you're done, you can just click publish and your channel is ready. Now that you have a really good bio and links to your other accounts, you can finally put your first video up. And this is why we are doing this YouTube channel, so you can create videos and upload them and learn every day for 30 days from your own experience and from everyone else. I hope you're going to be able to join. Thank you for watching. Bye.